Hello students, now we are going to see how to recognize the face using Python. Now we are going to use this Haar Cascade frontal face default algorithm for this recognition. We can download this algorithm using this link. I give the link in the description, so you can easily download this algorithm file. You can use this file for now we are going to create a new file, face detection.py. First, we are going to use CV2 library. Import CV2. We need to install the CV2 library. So after installing this, we can import the library file. We can save this file and then just whether this library is implemented or not. Just run this file and there is no error. So the library is implemented successfully. If there is any error in implementing or installing the library, it will not execute it. Then we are going to call the algorithm file face cascade. So this is the object name cv2 dot cascade classifier. We are going to use the cascade classifier for face recognition. So inside this function we have to pass the file name. So I'm going to use this file name, copy this file name and paste it here. Now we have connected with the file. Now we are going to capture the webcam. For that I'm going to create a variable webcam is equal to cv2 dot video capture. We can provide 0 if we have only one webcam. If we have more than one webcam, we can provide 1, 2 like that. Whichever webcam we want to connect with this project. While true, this means if the webcam is connected successfully, it will come to this position. While true, if there is error in connecting this webcam, it will not come to this location. While true, if it is true, then we need to read the file. The first value we don't want the first value, that is, and img. This is the thing we need. Webcam.read. So we can read the webcam and we store the image into the img variable, and then we can convert this to grayscale. Then only we can identify whether the image the face is there or not using the cascade classifier. So we need to convert to grayscale. For that we are going to use cv2 dot cvt color function. cv2 dot cvt color. So this is the function we're going to use to convert to grayscale image. So I'm going to pass the image and cv2 dot color underscore bgr to gray. So this is the function. This is the parameter we need to pass to this function, and then we are going to collect all the faces from this camera. There may be one or two faces or many faces, so we need to collect all the faces face cascade. This is the object of this algorithm, this classifier object, and multi-scale we are passing the faces. We are passing the gray image, gray, and we are going to pass the scaling factor 1.5. The scaling factor we can change according to the image type. So we can increase or decrease the value a little bit higher and lower to get the correct accuracy to get the images. Now I have tested, it is working for 1.5. You can test for 1.6, 1.32 like that. Whichever the factor, scaling factor, your program works fine. You have to find it. Then I'm going to pass the number of neighbors. I'm going to give 4. Now we have collected all the faces in the faces value faces object. Now we are going to collect every single faces from this using the for loop. For x comma y comma width comma height. So this function, the faces, each faces will be coming to the for loop, and it will give the x value x comma y position. The faces starting upper left corner point, and the width and height. All these values will be passed. Will be passed in this function in this for loop. So we can collect everything, and then we can draw rectangle for every faces using these values. So now cv2 dot rectangle. This function will draw a rectangle for the faces. Now I am going to pass the image. So in this image only all faces are there. So we need to draw a rectangle for this image only. And the image we have passed, and then location to draw a rectangle. The first point top left corner, that is x comma y. The next point bottom right corner x plus w comma y plus height. So these are the two points we need to draw, and then we need to use the color. So here I am going to give the green color 0, 255 and 0. So this is green color 0 to RGB, and then thickness of the line I want to give it to 3. So these are the things we need to pass to the rectangle function, and then we are going to show the image. cv2 dot im show. This function will show the captured image one by one. So we will see like a video. So we have to provide a heading face detection for this window, and then we need to pass the image. Now this will be a continuous process. So if you want to break in between, it will be very difficult. We need to close. It will not close. So we need to provide a option to break if we don't want to capture. For that, I'm going to get the wait key function. I'm going to use the wait key function is equal to cv2 dot wait key. Wait key. I want to give it to 10 milliseconds. So it will wait for 10 milliseconds, and then it will capture it again like this. It will be go on processing the images. If the key is if it's equal to 27, that means if the pressed key is 27 escape key, then we need to break the loop. Break. So after breaking this, we need to close the window and release the camera. Webcam dot release. Release, and then cv2 dot destroy all windows. If you press the escape key, it will destroy all the windows. File save, run this project. First cascade, we need to call the detect multi scale function. Detect. That's it. File save, run. So we can see the camera object here. So I'm going to show some faces. This we can show our face, or we can use any photo like this. It is showing the rectangle to this face. So it's a video, it's a image photo picture. I'm going to show one more picture here. So it is drawing a rectangle for this captured image. So like this, we can implement this for any purpose. By pressing escape, we can close this window. It is closed. We can implement this concept for any project like that. In this video, we have shown only how to view the images or how to identify the face, how to identify the face, but we have not done for full face. Who is this face is belonging to? Which person is this? Like that, we need to identify the face. For that, we need to provide the training and all. So after training, we need to show the face. It will show that this is the person, this is this person, this is this person. Like that, it will identify the person's name. For that, we need to do the training process. After the training, if we show the faces and it will detect that. So we have implemented this as a project, that is student attendance system using OpenCV. So in that project, you can this concept to record the students attendance. When the students is showing their face, it will record the students attendance. And then if the student is what are which are the days the student has attended, we can see all the reports and all. It is the paid project. You can join the course and then you can learn the project. I have given the link for that project, for this project, in this description. You can go and view the project details, and then also I have a link. I have given the link to project video, so you can see the project video also. So if you like this video, please press the like button, and if you think it will be useful for your friends, please share this video. If you want to get more videos like this, please subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.